Velocity Cloud presents. What is a CNC? To answer this question, we have to travel back in time, to a time before CNCs roamed the data center, to a time in the beginning. In the beginning, there was world, but world was without form and void, and green was upon the face of the screen. But the spirit of Ed moved upon the face of world, and Ed said, "Let there be one world." And there was one world. And the package builds took all day. For he separated the presentation layer from the application layer from the database layer, and gave us server sprawl. And it was good. And the package builds took all day.
Bad CNC.